During the 2020 election, a lot happened. That's probably why a lot of people didn't notice that Mississippi voters approved a new state flag, one without the Confederate imagery. This was following the old flag's removal on June 30th, 2020. With the flag's removal, many people may think that the last vestige of the Confederacy in state flag design has been removed. But that's not the case. To understand why, we first have to define what the Confederate flag actually is. When the Confederacy was created, keep in mind no country ever actually recognized them as a nation, one of the first things they decided to do was adopt a new flag. I guess that was a priority of theirs. This was the first flag adopted by the Confederate legislature on March 4th, 1861. This is the flag actually named the Stars and Bars. You can see it has bars going across it. The Confederate flag, we sometimes mistakenly refer to as the Stars and Bars today, is actually a cross. Anyway, this flag is clearly pretty similar to the American flag, with the amount of stars even representing the amount of states. When more states joined the Confederacy, as four more did, more stars were added. Looking so similar to the American flag created a huge problem, though. It was extremely difficult to distinguish the two flags during the din of battle when there was smoke everywhere and you're fighting for your very life. This led to the creation of a more distinctive Confederate battle flag. This design proved very popular, so in 1863 a new stainless banner was made that incorporated the battle flag into its corner. When the South started losing badly, as they did by 1864, the bloody banner was adopted, and it became the Confederacy's third and final official flag design. Now, because it was more popular, the Confederate battle flag was used in the years following the Civil War by people who supported the lost cause of the Confederacy, which is why it is so widely recognized today as a symbol of hate. Less recognized, though, is the Confederacy's first official design, which is where the Georgia flag enters. Oh no. Though you may disagree with them, you have to acknowledge the 2003 Georgia General Assembly was quite clever. Why 2003? That was the year this flag was adopted. The previous flag was quite obvious with its symbolism. This new one is subtle. It hides in plain sight. It copies the 1861 Confederate flag even down to the number of stars. Though it should be said, in the 2003 flag, they represent the fact that Georgia was the 13th colony, which is a weird thing to celebrate in a flag that otherwise pays homage to Georgia's attempts to leave the US. So, will this flag be changed soon? I don't know. But I do know you can start designing the new one right now.